In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money on Pocket Option. To get started, open the Pocket Option app on your phone. If the app asks you to sign in first, go ahead and log in so you can access your account dashboard. Once you're inside, look for your profile icon and tap on it. This will open the main account area where you can manage settings, balances, and payment options. From there, tap Finance. This is the section where deposits, withdrawals, and other account funding tools are located. Before you move forward, take a moment to review the main deposit methods available. Pocket Option typically offers 4 primary funding options, and choosing the right one depends on what is most convenient for you. The first option is cryptocurrency, which is often the recommended choice. It usually supports more than 30 different coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether on the TRC20 network. In many cases, crypto deposits are processed within around 10 to 15 minutes, which can make this one of the faster methods. The second option is credit or debit card. Personal Visa and MasterCard are commonly accepted, and card deposits often have a minimum amount of $20. The third option is e-wallets, which may include services such as Volay, Payeer, JetBank, and WebMoney. The fourth option is local payments or bank transfers, and these vary depending on your country, with methods like Revolut Pay, Pix, UPI, or other regional wallet and transfer systems. After choosing your preferred deposit method, enter the amount you want to deposit in US dollars. If you're paying in your local currency, the platform usually converts it automatically using the current exchange rate. Double-check the amount before moving on so there are no mistakes. Next, tap Continue. At this point, you may be asked to complete a security step depending on the payment method you selected. If you're using crypto or Binance Pay, you'll either scan the generated QR code or copy the wallet address exactly as shown. It's very important to use the exact address provided, since crypto transfers normally can't be reversed if sent incorrectly. If you're using a card, enter the cardholder name, card number, expiration date, and CVV code carefully. Make sure the information matches the card you're using to avoid payment errors. Finally, proceed to input the required personal details in the final form. Take your time here and review everything before submitting. Once completed, your deposit request should be processed based on the method you chose.